ROBB-ROCK man enough. Ascoltala.
YouTube family, welcome back, man. Hey, welcome to all the newcomers. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at y'all today, man. This is a different type of video. This is not really about, what it does have something to do with sneakers a little bit, because I will be styling sneakers with some product that I did get in from a company, man. So yes, we're about to get into that, y'all. But if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, man, hey, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, man. Hey, we grinding over here, man. The giveaway is coming up, so don't sleep on that. Somebody will be getting a free pair of shoes, early pair of shoes, as well as some socks, some gift cards, maybe. And we got a lot of stuff going on. It'll be multiple winners, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, I'm gonna keep reminding y'all in every video until I give y'all the details on it, but stay tuned for that. And actually, whenever you see this video pop up, whenever you see the Air Max, whenever I can get to it, whenever this video pops up, this will have the rules on how you enter in the giveaway, so do not sleep. But coming soon. But anyways, as I said, y'all, big shout out, man. Big shout out to Lakenzie.com. They actually reached out to me, man. They was like, hey, they like what I'm doing here on the channel, man. And shout out to you guys, because y'all motivate me to do what I do on this channel, man. So big shout out to y'all for helping me out and having them reach out with me. Couldn't have did it without y'all. But they hit me up and they said, hey, man, we want to send you out a couple pairs of pants. So go ahead and choose a couple pairs, and we'll go ahead and take care of that for you. So big shout out to Lakenzie for doing that for me. They didn't have to do that, and as well as them doing that, they blessed the fam, man. They said, hey, we got something special for the fam Lee. I said, what y'all got going on, man? They was like, hey, we got a unique and a special coupon discount code for the family, and that is J20. And J is spelled with 2 Y's. I will put it right down there on the screen as you see. But yes, J20 will get you 20% off your order. They actually do have a promotion going on right now where you automatically get 20% off your order with a coupon code that the website already has. But once that expires, or even before it expires, man, go ahead and use that J20, get your 20% off. But that will still be around even after that promotion goes away. So J20 is your coupon code. Go ahead, do that, man. Show some love to Lakenzie. They got some dope jeans, as I'm about to show y'all. And yeah, man, y'all won't be disappointed. But let's go ahead and get into this. It's not a box, so it's let's just open up this package, man. Let's do it. So here we go, man. Got a nice big bag delivered from DHL. No, it's not across the water stuff, but it was delivered by DHL. So I'm opening it with you guys. I didn't want to spoil it, you know what I'm saying? I said, hey, let me go ahead and open it up with the fam, and we'll look at this stuff together. So let's go ahead and check it out real quick. Hope everybody having a great, blessed, and awesome day, man. Everybody's chilling out from wherever they at. So we got a bag inside of a bag, but as I was telling y'all, bam, that is the name, y'all, Lakenzie. So I will link their information down below. You can follow them on IG, as well as go to their website. I'll have both linked down in the description box. So Lakenzie, shout out to y'all again, and let's see what they sent over, man. So pop this bag open like this. And man, I got tons of things coming to y'all, man. It's time, man. I work a full-time job. I got a family, and y'all don't want to hear that. Y'all like, hey man, you took on this YouTube stuff, you need to be a YouTuber. But I'm gonna try, man. I'm gonna try. But they did send your boy over 3 pairs of jeans, and we're gonna take a look at all 3 of them, as well as we might style them up a little bit, man. See how they look. So let's check it out, man. So our first pair of jeans we got here, and this is how they come. They come nicely bagged up, brand new, dope, and it does have that Lakenzie branding name on the bag, as you can see right there in black. But yes, go ahead and pop it open real quick. Where can I put? I'll set these back here behind me. But go ahead and pop this open, and y'all be making fun of my jean size, man. Y'all gonna be like, damn, you a little dude. Hey, it's all good, man. I'm not ashamed of it. But damn, these bitches do look kind of. Nah, they alright. Yeah. But yes sir, we got these black checkered denim jeans, man. It does come with a drawstring in it, as you can see. It does have a drawstring in it that can be taken out if you want to take it out. But dope jeans, man. It has a slightly distressed look to it, slightly like washed type of look, but you do get those checkers in it. Dope. And you know, you got the blowout on the knee. Dope, man. This is my type of party right here, man. But dope jeans, man. You do get that Lakenzie logo on the back. So very good quality jeans, man. Do not sleep on them, man. Go ahead, check them out. As you can see right there, very dope jeans. You can style them up with a lot of different shoes, and they fit very well, man. Very comfortable, and yeah, man, it's very dope jeans, man. These jeans are in style right now, and they do fit true to size. Basically, they have I think it's extra small, medium, large. But if you look at the sizing, it will tell you in what range, as far as like size 32, 34, 36, whatever it is that you are, it'll break it down for you in the sizing description. So you just get your size, pick whether it's small, extra small, medium, large, extra large, whatever it is, pick it, and yeah, man, they'll take care of you. It fits great, as I said, and make sure you use that coupon code. But yes, man, that is the first pair of pants. It is that black checkered denim. I will link the links to all these pants that I'm showing y'all down below, because I'm just, you know, talking without seeing the names of the clothes. But I will let y'all know the names of them down below, so if you want to get anything in this video as well as anything else on the site, y'all will know what the names of them are. But that is it for the first one, y'all. The black checkered denim. Dope. And let's go ahead and move on to the next jeans that they sent over. And this one looks like pretty much another checkered style denim with a little more, you know, got the paper. It's all packaged up real nice. But this jeans is a light wash jeans, man. And on this one, we do got like a, what is that? It's like a red bandana on your left side, like a, it's not really, yeah, it's kind of a bandana look on your left side, and then on your other side you have that blue bandana look, both kind of blown out, you know, but it's not really see-through to the knee. But you got your checker areas below it down there, as you can see, and you looks like you got a black bandana up here. Very dope, man. I dig these, man. You got your checkered hit right up there, so there's really no see-through areas on these jeans, and they are all tapered fit. Tapered fit works very well with your sneakers, as far as, like, you know, showing off your sneakers. So if you want to, you know, get a good look and have your jeans sitting right on your sneakers, very dope jeans for that, y'all. But as you can see them right there on feet, man, on feet, well, on my body as well as the shoes on feet, you see how they all go together. Very nice jeans. And yeah, man, you can do a lot, man. As I said with the first pair, man, you can do a lot with these jeans, as far as wear different. You can wear like a dressy type top, or, you know, you can wear a t-shirt with them. You know, quite a few things you can do with them. And very good fitted jeans. And yes, I'm pleased with these, man. I'm very pleased with these. So make sure y'all head over there, use that coupon code J20, get y'all a pair, man. Get y'all a pair. But yes, coming in at the second pair of jeans, y'all, is the, I'm gonna put the name up on the screen because I don't want to get it wrong, man. But dope pair of jeans, nothing on the back, as y'all can see, just a little bit of wash, like an acid wash look. But yep, that's the second pair of jeans that they sent over. shout out to Lakenzie again, man, for doing that. And take a look at this third pair of jeans. What did I get? What did I get? Oh, this look kind of rock starry, man. What was I on? What was I thinking? I'm gonna make it work though, man. I ain't tripping. But third pair of jeans we got here. It is another type of washed type of jean, but this one, okay, as you can see, it does have, you know, your rips in it in certain areas, and a distressed, like a washed look, as well as we got some bedazzles going on. I didn't notice this, that it has like some sort of bedazzles going around the knee area, but you know what, I ain't tripping. I'm gonna make it work, man. I'm gonna make it work. But yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this. I didn't realize that they had this, but I mean, I can make it work, like I said, man. But yes, check them out right there. Not bad, man, not bad at all. You can rock these with quite a few different pairs of shoes, and yeah, man, it's not that shine on it ain't as bad as I thought it was. It actually kind of, you know, it's eye popping a little bit, so you know, you can actually put on some shoes that will bounce off of that. So not bad at all, man. I work with it. I work with it. So yes, sir, man. Dope pair of jeans. I'm definitely glad that they sent these over. I will be rocking all of these jeans, and I will be going back and getting some more using that discount code. So yeah, man, taking a look at the back side, same type of vibe. You know, you got some of the little distressed areas, as well as some patches and so on and so forth. But I do love the color contrast as far as the light to the dark black on them. So dope shoes. I'm so used to saying shoes, but dope pair of pants, man. And thank Lakenzie again, man. Big shout out to Lakenzie for sending me over these jeans. I'm truly appreciative of you sending that over to me. But thank y'all for tuning in, and y'all make sure y'all go get y'all some great quality jeans, man. Shop Lakenzie. I will link everything down in the description box. And yes, sir, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I got a lot of early things coming, man. It's just I be working and stuff, but I got it coming out to you guys. Thank y'all for all the support, man. Y'all been hitting that like button. I haven't even been asking, but y'all have been dropping that like, you know, and comments. And I'm gonna get back to y'all comments. I just been busy. The comments have been flowing in, but I'm getting back to every single one of them. So besides that, man, y'all stay blessed. Thank y'all for rocking with the fam, man. 30K, here we come, man. But I'm gone, man. Till my next one. Shout out Lakenzie again, man. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.